can see the finishing and all. It's a very good finishing. Different kind of GSMs. Material is called as honeycomb material. This comes under polyester and cotton also. We have 280, 300, 320 GSM. These are the masks we are doing it. We will show you. These are the mugs.
Hey everybody, this is Geeta Mathuri. మనందరికీ తెలుసు చందానగర్ లో ఆర్ఎస్కే సిల్క్స్ ఎంత బాగా నడుస్తుందో. ఇప్పుడు కొత్తపేటలో కొత్త బ్రాంచ్ ఓపెన్ చేస్తున్నారు ఆర్ఎస్కే సిల్క్స్ వారు ఈ జూలై 4th అండ్ నేను వస్తున్నాను ఓపెనింగ్ కి. సీ ఆల్ దేర్ అండ్ ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్ టు ఆర్ఎస్కే సిల్క్స్.
Hello everyone, my name is Uday and I am the proprietor of AK Gifts. We are into the manufacture of t-shirts and we are specialists into printing like plastisol printing, digital printing and sublimation printing and all kind of printings which will be printed on the t-shirts and fabrics. Moreover, we have all kind of t-shirts like this. We supply t-shirts also with printing. These are the few t-shirts which we are printed. This is a single color printing with a digital print. We have plastisol printing like this, which we print on.
Yes.
Okay. So we are giving service to the online people also. This is the online printing which we have printed. This is we have used the ink, plastisol ink. And we can able to print 6-7 colors into one t-shirts, different size, different colors. Presently we are doing it 7 colors. Like the other color is we are printing on the yellow also. You can see the finishing and all. It's a very good finishing. And secondly, digital print we are doing it, and the digital print comes like this, where you can print n number of colors into one design, and this is permanent. T-shirt will get lost, but print will not get into damage. Any kind of damage will not come. So this is the kind of digital printing which we have done recently to the Vizag steel plant. And we give service only printing also, not only with t-shirts, but only printing we can do it. If we are providing the t-shirts, we'll do it. The minimum t-shirts for the printing will be the 25 pieces. And in this pandemic, we are doing this mask also, mask printing, mask supply also with printing. Or if you want only printing, we'll print and give it to you. This is what the specialist done. We are the manufacturers of t-shirts. T-shirts, we supply t-shirts, we customize t-shirts with tailor-made t-shirts also. If you want any tailor-made t-shirts with good quality and bulk quality, we'll provide their own fabrics, which will provide you all raw material to you. Then you can choose it. So we are dealing into 2 categories like round neck and collar neck. Round neck are, so this is round neck. This is a polyester t-shirt. Polyester comes in 2-3 varieties, that is PP, fabric qualities are PP, polyester, honeycomb material, Locasto. Like this material will come in polyesters. So polyester basically for the bulk, for the election, for campaign, for promotion kind of things will be used. This range starts from 75 rupees with printing to 300 rupees. This is the range of polyester. Coming back to the same round neck, we have cotton. Cotton, we have different kind of GSMs. It comes in the GSM. The GSM starts with 160 GSM, 180 GSM, 200 GSM in this. That is, the GSM means the quality of the t-shirt. This is 180 GSM which I am holding it. This comes printing. We have different sizes plus colors. We have 7 colors in this, common colors. If you want any specific color, we'll dye and give it.
Okay.
So So this is collar neck t-shirts. This is cotton 220 GSM. This also comes in GSM. This GSM starts with 180 GSM to up to 300 GSM. That is 200, 220, 240, 260, 280, 300 GSMs. That is the quality of the t-shirts. And we provide you with plain. This is called as line. This line is called as tipping. If you want tipping, we will provide you with the tipping. The collar neck cotton t-shirts. And this we have polyester also that I'll show you later on. This also comes in 7 colors. The quality. And this range starts from 150 rupees to 650 rupees. When you come into the polyester, if you are taking white, the white will come in photo print also, very good photo print, where you can print photo print. This is polyester t-shirts. This material is called as honeycomb material. And this also, it comes in PP material, PP, polyester, honeycomb, Locasto, .NET, super poly. These are the qualities which we are dealing on with the t-shirts. And we provide with printing. From the t-shirts, we are dealing into caps, that is common caps, which it is very good for promotion activities. You see, this is the personal t-shirt cap they have taken it. And this is the company for their promotion. This comes under polyester and cotton also. And the minimum quantity for the caps is 50. See, we have done for Almond House different caps. So you can see here different kind of caps. This is a polyester cap. The caps range start from 25 rupees to 150 rupees. And on demand we supply school bags, laptop bags, and executive bags, etc. And these are the hoodies. This also comes in GSM with different 4 to 5 colors: black, navy blue, grey melange, white melange, white. This is red color. This is red color. Beautiful one. This is 300 GSM. We have 280, 300, 320 GSM. 350 also. This comes in with hood, and we supply with hood, without hood also. Half sleeves, full sleeves, with zip, without zip. This is with zip. If you want without zip, mostly ladies will take without zip. For the election campaign, these are the masks we are doing it. Not for campaign also, we are providing to corporate companies. And recently we have done 5,000 to 10,000 masks for GHMC also. The sample is, this is the what we have supplied to GHMC with their logo. But these are the masks. You can see their logo also. These are the white masks, which is very good for printing, multicolor printing, which you have seen in. So this is the multicolor printing, which you can print on this mask also. And recently we have done NC for corporate NCR company with a different, their customized shape and all. It's a different kind of a shape. Like again, we are supplying this cotton mask also with flower, different patterns, different sizes, which ladies likes very well. And this is for the petroleum company which we have done it. This is before stitched, multicolor printing. We have 5-layer mask also. netted one. Very good fitting. You can see it fits properly to our. It covers our mouth, nose, cheese, everything. This range starts from 10 rupees to 90, 95. These are the medical masks we are doing it also. This supplies, the minimum quantity should be 20,000 and the range starts from 3 rupees to 5 rupees. This is with nose pin, without nose pin also. See, here it is a nose pin where it will block your nose, where air will not flow on the nose like this. And this is our printing unit. And coming, one more product is there. We will show you. These are the mugs. It's a very good item for gifting on birthday, on special days, anniversaries, to gift your wife, to gift your friend, to gift your lovers with their message. And coming to our unit, this is our unit. See, this is called as butterfly machines, where we print. At a time we can print 6 t-shirts at a time. 6 colors in one t-shirt at a time. And gets revolved. The t-shirt you can get. It's come beautiful printing. We will do it. This is called as a fusing, the heat press. This is called as a heat press. After printing this, we will heat press it so that the color should not go, it will be permanent on the t-shirt. If you are not doing this pressing, the color will go from the t-shirt. So we are doing it this. This is the finishing, what do you call, as heat presser. We have 2 different sizes. This is A3 size, what do you call, and this is the A4 size. After printing this t-shirt, after printing this, we need to press this. When you press this, it's immediate finishing. Paper metal. We need to press it. How beautiful. As I said, we are the manufacturers, AK Gifts, and I'm Uday Kant, proprietor of this company. We are located at Nallagutta, Ram Gopalpet, Secunderabad. This is near to Paradise also, near to Raniganj, and it's a prime place. You can visit. You are welcome to visit. We supply all over India. We supply in online. If you place an order in the online on the email. My email ID is ak9gift@gmail.com. You can book your orders on the email also. We are working from 9 to 9, morning 9 to evening 9. Sundays also, holidays also, we do on demand.